This video beta?
Because I want to send Mama so she can also understand.
Okay.
Because she will also understand why she want to hit me in my cheeks very hard.
Okay, okay. But what if she hits you? Does it hurt you? Okay, okay.
And that feels me pain in my cheeks.
Okay.
And that's why I don't like that.
Okay. So what you will do if she hits you like this?
If she hits me, I go to my room straight in my room, and then I close my room and then started crying in my big golden pillow.
Okay, and then?
And then when my cry was done, then I opened the door and come out.
Okay, then you want to go outside also? You want to leave this house also?
So I was cleaning the home down over there. Suddenly Mama come very angry and she told me कि Mani's father told me कि he's not going to print the glass picture.
Okay, okay.
So then she told me that thing. Then I come to your room and then I ask why you don't take that printer. So you said because that printer will not come in it. Why not? Because it's my printer on it. Because which thing going to be printer?
Okay, but we are not to the point, beta. Why we are making this video? Why do you want this video to be sent to Mama? What message you want to convey to Mama?
I want to send him sad message. Why you hate me all the time?
Okay. And if she continue hitting you like this, then
I will for a big video and then she will send a big thumbs up.
Okay, no, but do you want to leave this house also? No.
No.
Earlier you were planning to leave this house also?
But that I was telling lie. I don't want to leave this house.
Okay.
Because my friend tell like this.
Okay.
That's why I forgot now only.
Okay. But you were telling me something like if she hits you again, then you will pack your bags and you will go out, something like that.
अरे मैंने झूठ बोला था.
अच्छा क्यों? Why?
Because मैं आपको सीक्रेट बताना नहीं चाहता था क्योंकि मैं और विहान के बीच में सीक्रेट ही था और हम दोनों इसके बारे में बात कर सकते हैं. इसके लिए हम लोग सीक्रेट को अपने पेरेंट्स से छुपा सकते हैं.
Okay.
That's why I tell like that. But he got another plan. Was very bad plan.
Okay, but I was scared at your plan that you were planning to leave our house. We will be left alone, and how I can't imagine how we would be living without you.
If you want to live with me, then you must don't give me any slap.
Okay. But I never hit you.
You never hit me, but Mama hit me.
Okay. But sometimes Mama can hit you, sometimes.
And she hurt me very hard.
Very hard. But if he hits you softly, then
I feel nice.
Okay. So she can hit you, but softly, right?
Like this, she can hit me, then I will not get any hurt. But she will too hard now that I will get hurt and then starting crying going.
Okay. Okay. But I was.
Then drop will go inside and then that will become a small hole over here.
Okay. But as far as I remember, when I was of your age, I was got bitten so much from my parents. I never planned of leaving house.
But why don't leave your house?
Because I thought I'm too small, and if I go out, thieves are there who can catch me.
You can catch me.
Yes, and they
you
sell me
very
somewhere
hard.
outside. Yes.
And then somebody will cut you and make your clothes and put it in the sailor hanger, and then everyone will wear those things of you, no?
Yes.
That's why you don't leave your house and love your parents so much.
Yes.
But they why would hit you too?
Because every parents do like this, out of love, because they hate, because they want that their children do good in studies, they do learn good things, they do eat good foods, and they do take care of themselves very well. This is why. And
but how we take care of self? We are only one.
No, the reason is, they want you to do something good. When you are doing something out of their expectation, not in their expectation, or not in the line of their expectation, they do hit you like this. Slapping is only done when you
but
do
slapping
something.
Feel you bad.
Yeah,
that's
I
why.
agree.
That's why I don't like it at all.
Okay.
So thank you so much.